Hello everyone, let's dive today into the world of invertebrates. Join me as I dive into the world of invertebrates and challenge myself to learn and share 10 incredible facts you probably didn't know about these amazing creatures. Invertebrates don't have backbones. They are a hugely diverse group making up about 95% of all animal species on our planet, from squishy sea slugs to armored beetles, and from majestic jellyfish to minuscule mites. Invertebrates come in all shapes and sizes, and yet despite their incredible variety, invertebrates often get overlooked in favor of their more charismatic vertebrate cousins. One of the biggest misconceptions about invertebrates is that they're somehow less complex or less sophisticated than vertebrates, but nothing could be further from the truth. Invertebrates have evolved some of the most remarkable adaptations to survive and thrive in almost every environment on Earth. Take, for example, the incredible ability of octopuses to change color and texture in the blink of an eye, or the way that ants can work together to build intricate underground cities. Many people assume that invertebrates are all pretty similar, that they're just a bunch of bugs and creepy crawlies that are more or less interchangeable. But the reality is that invertebrates are incredibly diverse, with different groups exhibiting wildly different characteristics and behaviors. From the majestic jelly-like bodies of sea walnuts to the armored tank-like shells of pill bugs, each group of invertebrates has its own unique features and abilities. And then there's the misconception that invertebrates are all small and insignificant. But invertebrates come in all sizes, from the tiny fairy flies that are no bigger than a grain of rice, to the massive Japanese spider crabs that can span over 12 feet from claw to claw. So it's time to set the record straight and give these incredible creatures the respect they deserve. Invertebrates have evolved some of the most astonishing adaptations to survive in extreme environments. Take, for example, the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. These tiny, eight-legged creatures can survive temperatures ranging from -200 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius, and can even withstand the harsh conditions of outer space. Or consider the sea cucumber, which can expel its internal organs as a decoy to distract predators, and then regrow them from scratch. Some invertebrates have developed incredible speed and agility, like the dragonfly, which can fly at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest insects on the planet. Others have developed remarkable camouflage abilities, like the walking stick insect, which can blend in seamlessly with its surroundings, making it almost invisible. Invertebrates play a crucial role in our ecosystem, serving as pollinators, decomposers, and predators that keep populations in check. They're also a vital food source for many other animals, from birds and bats to spiders and small mammals. Let me tell you about one of the most amazing invertebrates I've come across, the aptly named peacock spider. This tiny, iridescent spider is barely the size of a grain of rice, but it puts on one of the most dazzling displays in the animal kingdom. When threatened or trying to attract a mate, the peacock spider will unfurl its magnificent fan-like abdomen, displaying a kaleidoscope of colors and patterns that would put any human artist to shame. And yet, despite its incredible beauty, the peacock spider is a formidable hunter, using its incredible speed and agility to catch its prey off guard. It's a true marvel of evolution, and a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of invertebrates. But what I think is truly remarkable about invertebrates is the way they've evolved to thrive in almost every environment on Earth. From the freezing tundra to the scorching desert, from the deepest ocean trenches to the highest mountain peaks, invertebrates are there, adapting, surviving, and thriving in ways that would be unimaginable for humans. Invertebrates are truly the unsung heroes of the animal kingdom, and it's time we gave them the recognition they deserve. So, I hope you've learned something new and fascinating about these incredible creatures, and that you'll join me in appreciating their incredible diversity and importance in our ecosystem. Are you enjoying this video? You can subscribe, give likes, and click the bell to help make more interesting videos. Let's continue learning more things about this amazing group of animals. You can see that invertebrates are incredibly diverse and make up the vast majority of animal life on Earth. From the insects buzzing around your head to the sea stars you might see at the beach, invertebrates come in all shapes and sizes. Let's break down some of the major groups of invertebrates. Porifera. These are sponges. They might not look like much, but they're animals. Sponges are sessile, meaning they attach themselves to a surface and don't move around. Their bodies are full of pores, which allow water to flow through and bring them food and oxygen. Cnidarians. This group includes jellyfish, corals, and sea anemones. They're aquatic animals with stinging cells that they use to capture prey. They also have radial symmetry like echinoderms. Platyhelminthes. These are flatworms, often parasitic. Tapeworms, for example, live inside the intestines of other animals. Their bodies are flattened, which helps them to live in narrow spaces. Nematodes. These are roundworms, often microscopic but sometimes large enough to see. They have a long, narrow body and are found in almost every environment, from soil to the ocean. Annelids. These are the segmented worms. Think of earthworms, those helpful creatures that aerate the soil. Their bodies are divided into segments, which gives them flexibility. Leeches are also annelids, though they have a rather different reputation. Mollusks. Soft and squishy, mollusks often have a shell to protect them. Imagine snails with their coiled shells, or clams, oysters, and mussels with their two-part shells. But not all mollusks have shells. Octopuses, cuttlefish, and squid are mollusks too. They have a muscular foot, which in octopuses becomes their arms, and a mantle, a tissue that often secretes the shell or even a precious pearl. Arthropods. These are the superstars of the invertebrate world, being the largest and most diverse group. Think of insects like butterflies, beetles, and ants, or arachnids like spiders and scorpions. Even crustaceans like crabs and lobsters are arthropods. What do they all have in common? A hard outer covering called an exoskeleton and jointed legs. This exoskeleton protects their soft bodies and allows for movement. Echinoderms. If you've ever been to the beach, you might have seen sea stars. These, along with sea urchins and sea cucumbers, are echinoderms. They have a spiny skin and a unique type of symmetry called radial symmetry. This means their bodies are arranged in a circle around a central point, like a pizza. They also have tiny tube feet that they use for movement and to capture food. So, the next time you're out exploring, remember all the amazing invertebrates that share our planet. They might be small, but they play a huge role in our ecosystems. Would you like to learn more about a specific group of invertebrates? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below about your favorite invertebrate. I'd love to hear about it. Please support this channel. Subscribe, give it a like, and activate the bell to watch more cool videos on this channel.